freaking car broke down. It turns on, but it doesn't go anywhere. There was a smell when I went to the dealership to look at it. When I turned it on initially before driving it at the lot, there was a smell, but I attributed it to like them cleaning the engine, because it looks so good. Like I have to show you. I'm still figuring this car out as far as like electronics and doors. All right, there you are. I gotta take my coat off. I'm waiting for there we go. I'm tired, y'all. Like I was up all night, like not stressing, just like, you know, the whole situation. This car was gonna be a recreational car for me. It's to run errands and groceries and take a joyride like I did with the car yesterday. You know, not so well, yeah, joyride, because I went and ran errands. So just took a detour, a long detour, and it was so good until it wasn't. Look at that. That looks phenomenal. Look how clean that looks. So they definitely did a really good job. Like I didn't see oil anywhere. Like I don't see like anything major, you know. So they did a really good job keeping this maintained at their lot. So I assume like maybe they got some cleaner on one of the metal hot spots and there was a smell, right? I feel like that goes to show that you should definitely drive your car for at least 200 miles the day you get it and just see what happens in those 200 miles. But you have to do it within the day of purchase. Unless, you know, you got warranties and everything, then I guess it doesn't matter. But I didn't opt for the warranty because I did not think that something would happen within fucking 6 hours of purchase. Oh, something that's cool about my trunk that I just learned. Check this out. Grocery bag holders. Tell me that's not lit. Like the more, like, yes, my car broke down on me, you know, but I'm hoping that they make it right, because it was within the day of buying it. So even though I bought the car as is, there's still that hope and that chance, legally speaking, that because it happened mere hours after buying the car, the as is policy is you as the consumer are responsible for any breakdown after the date of purchase. Legal loophole, yo. And then I thought at first too that it was the heated seats. Like when you turn it on, my brain, because I work with electronics and stuff, I figured, oh, the filament is probably making some odd smell because they probably don't turn it on. So, you know, I was doing a lot of benefiting of the doubt, right? Long story short, the clutch went. And lucky for me, you know, I'm very deep thinking. I just went ahead and, you know, was like, yo, I need to text this dude right now before midnight, since it's the same day. And, you know, boom, sure enough, in the fucking document as I was looking through it, and I, you know, uploaded that bad boy to ChatGPT, and it was like, oh yeah, we in there. And I was like, oh, bet, yeah, because it says like the as is thing is it's in the same date, so technically I'm not responsible for the shit that's broken. They gotta fix it, make it, or give me my money back. Give me my money back or fix it. Like, another cool thing about this car, look at that. Oh, I don't want to open that. Well, you get it. It's a sunroof and a moonroof, so it's lit. I love it. I like it so much. Here's a knob to open and close it, tilt it, and all that shit. This is so fucking cool. Like, good shit. I'm so happy with this purchase. So yeah, so I turned the car on and the smell kicks in. Like I got the fans on and you can smell it. Like I know what clutch burning smells like, because it's a horrible smell. But it's subtle, like it's a subtle scent, so that's why I attributed it to either the engine bay being clean or just the seats. I don't burn clutches, y'all. I don't do that shit. I love cars. I know how to drive cars. And this car, I absolutely love. I fell in love with it as soon as I finally drove off the lot. Never had one before, and man, it felt good to drive it. Like, I got to drive it for like about 100 miles, because obviously I'm gonna drive my car the first day. But I just went and did errands. That's literally all I did. But let me show you how to turn this on. So here's what happens, right? Yeah, let's clean that real quick. So neutral, right? Wait. Stepping on the clutch. Stepping on the clutch. And stepping on the clutch, right? Back over here. There we go. We're in first. All right. We are going to disable the e-brake. Right? Oh, sorry. Gotta press the brake first. Alright, e-brake is off, right? Let me turn it back on so you can see. Turn on, bitch. There it is. There it is. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it back off. Alright, so we're off. So now, foot's on the clutch, right? Foot on the clutch. Watch this, watch this. Look at what happens, watch. Nothing else. My right foot is just retired at the moment, right? Look at this. Nothing. Look, I'm gonna go off. No sputtering, no stalling, nada. Look, how, como será? It cannot be, right? And like I spent a good hour with Christian, because I think it was like at 9 that I called him and told him the issue was happening. And yo, like, I just didn't want to believe the worst case scenario. You know, I'm usually very optimistic, and like, I try to be very optimistic about things, but this shit fucking sucks. But yeah, it won't go anywhere now. It's dead in the water, and that shit breaks my heart, because I haven't had a stick shift vehicle in a decade, and the fact that I'm looking for my keys. The fact that I got one and it's an Audi. I love Audis. I want my car back. I want my fucking car back. You just gotta fucking laugh at this shit, yo. I swear, like, oh, here's my Dominican flag I gotta put up. Just have to laugh at this fucking bullshit. I just spent $300 to get this fucking car towed. I just spent like $1,500 as a down payment on the car, not including the fucking 200 and some change for my insurance. Yeah. This is some horse shit. God, you can smell it. Like, it's very subtle, but you can smell it. I took my car manual and everything out of it just so I could just read it while my car is in the shop. Like I said, you just gotta kind of laugh at this stuff, man. Like, you just have to laugh at it. So I'm in the Explorer right now. There it is. Car's just sitting there. Just sitting there. Tow truck driver's coming. He'll be here in like 10-15 minutes. Here comes the tow truck driver. This is gonna be great. Yep, it's my life right now. Here it is. About to leave. Nothing worse than seeing your car in the back of the truck bed. That's like sick. There it goes. Goodbye, Gotham. I'll see you again soon.